A credit freeze at Experian is managed through your Experian account or your freeze PIN, and it can be lifted online, by phone, or by mail, depending on how you set it up. By the end, you'll know exactly how to unfreeze your Experian credit report, how to do it temporarily for one lender, and what to do if you've lost your PIN or login access. First, the fastest method is using Experian's online portal. Go to the Experian Security Freeze section and sign in with your account. If you never created an account, you'll need to verify your identity first and set one up. Once you're inside, you'll see options to lift or remove the freeze. A temporary lift is what most people use when applying for credit. It keeps your report protected but allows a lender to check it for a specific window or purpose. A permanent removal fully turns off the freeze until you manually place it again. Select the option you need, confirm your request, and Experian updates your credit file. This is the part where people usually get stuck because they expect it to automatically apply everywhere, but it only affects Experian, unless you also contact Equifax and TransUnion separately. Next, if you can't access your online account, you still have two backup options. You can call Experian's automated system and follow identity verification prompts, or you can send a written request by mail. Mail is the slowest option because it requires identity confirmation and processing through physical documents. If your issue is a lost PIN, Experian can help you recover access after verifying your identity. That PIN is basically the key that allows you to manage your freeze without repeating full identity checks every time. Once your freeze is lifted, creditors can access your Experian credit report again, which is required for most credit card applications, loans, and rental screenings. To keep things simple, here's what actually matters. Use the online portal first because it's the most direct way to unfreeze. Choose between a temporary lift or full removal, depending on what you're applying for. And always remember that Experian is just one bureau, so you may need to repeat the process elsewhere. If you want fewer headaches next time, save your login details and PIN in a secure password manager so you don't have to recover access again later. Like and subscribe if you want more clear step-by-step fixes for credit and finance issues without the confusion.